Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can connect to this network on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is you have to click on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the settings window, you need to click on network and internet. Click on the Wi-Fi, click on this arrow. Click on Manage No Networks, and here you will find all the networks on your Windows. So what you can do is you just have to look for your connection where you are having an error with, and here you have to click on the Forget button. Click on the Forget button, and after you have clicked on the Forget button, then you have to reconnect it again by entering the password for that connection. Okay, so once done, simply close out of here. Then for the next method, is we need to click on the Windows search bar and type in here ncpa.cpl. Click on under the best match. Click on it under the best match. Then you will find at the network connections window. Here you need to locate your connection. Make a right click and select properties. We also need to make sure that we are not using any manual server addresses. So here you have to click on the Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties. So here we need to make sure that we are choosing the first option, obtain an IP address automatically, and also for the obtained in is server addresses automatically. Click on OK and then click on close and also close this window. But if still it doesn't help you fix the issue, we also need to make sure that our network driver is updated. Make a right click on the start button, then you have to select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, look for the network adapters. Locate your connection or your Wi-Fi. Make a right click, then you have to select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to choose one by one as to what driver will work for you. If the first one worked for you, good. But if not, you have to choose the second one. You just have to click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this and then close this window. Then you just have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for network and internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. Here under more settings, you'll find network reset. Click on that. So click on the reset now button. This will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. So make sure to remember your connection password, because once you click on the reset now button, this will restart your Windows, and after that you just have to re-enter or reconnect into your connection. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.